nephews, welcome back to Auntie No's Kitchen, and to my new nieces and nephews, welcome to the family. Welcome, and I hope you continue to stick around. And if you guys do, you know you can do your old auntie a favor. Hit the like button, please. Thank you so much. I really would appreciate it. Today we're going to be making sticky pineapple chicken. Yes, it's really good. You don't batter it. You know, if you like sweet and sour chicken, you'll love this, okay? Take it from Auntie. If you eat sweet and sour chicken, you'll love this. So we're going to give me a moment. But first, housekeeping. Thank you guys for all your support to my channel. I truly appreciate it. Now we're going to do a flip and a swip, and I'm going to show you everything you need so you can make this at home. It sounds like it takes a lot, but it doesn't, and it's really easy. Well, you're going to need a hot pan. Hot pan with some oil. You're going to need, well, this is up to you. If you want fresh pineapple, you're going to need some. This makes it cute, just coring out the pineapple. That just makes it cute for how it's served. But you could just buy some fresh pineapple and chunk them up, you know. And that's what you're going to need, some pineapple, fresh pineapple chunks. 1 cup of chicken stock or broth. 1 packed tablespoon of dark brown sugar. 1 tablespoon of hoisin salt. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. And 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, and some what do you call that stuff? Cornstarch slurry. And I have some chicken breasts cut up in cubes, and not a lot. I think that's like 3 or 4 breasts. I'm not sure, but I think it's 3 or 4. And I'm gonna let the oil heat up, and then we're gonna. You don't batter the chicken. You're just gonna be cooking the chicken because everything is gonna end up in this beautiful pan. Okay, I'm going to cook this chicken in this oil. And then you're going to add some salt and pepper to this, to your taste. A little bit of salt. You're going to add your pepper. You know, this shaker just doesn't do enough pepper for me. And I'm going to cook this chicken till it's all the way done, thoroughly done. And I'll be back. Now you can cut your chunks up smaller than this. I don't, because it's easier for me to turn. Those little bitty things, I won't be able to pick those up. So it's easier for me when I cut them larger. And you get more goodness. Okay, we have the chicken is ready. So now I am going to take my soy sauce and my garlic and my hoisin sauce. Yep, going to make all that goodness. And I'm going to pour that in here. I'm going to add my brown sugar. Get all that mixed in together and turn my heat down because it's popping on my lip and it is not lipstick. Then I'm going to stir this around for about 2 minutes and I'll be back. I'm going to add my chicken stock. Get all this mixed together. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to take that pineapple juice that came out that pineapple, and I am going to drain it in here. And I'm going to throw a couple of pieces of my pineapple in here. And I'm going to put this on very low and just let it simmer. Very low. Now that it's boiling, I'm going to add my chicken in. And I'm going to just leave it alone for a minute. And I'm going to add me some pineapple in here. I'm going to add my pineapple in here, because it wouldn't be called sticky pineapple. Throw all that pineapple in. Why not make it goodness? And what I'm going to do, I'm going to add me some cornstarch slurry, whatever the word is. Slurry, and I'm going to make it thick. Okay, I'm going to add my slurry. And if I have to make some more to make it super thick, I will. I want it a little thicker, so I just add the rest of this. And if you want to, you can add some pineapple preserves if that'll tickle your fancy. And that's why they call it sticky pineapple. It's very sticky. And what I do, this is just something that makes it cute. I'll turn this off. And I have my rice from before. So I'm going to load this up with rice. And then I'm going to put sticky pineapple chicken on the side of it. Try to get more chicken than you do pineapple. You can put that pineapple on top, but you want to try to get more chicken than you do pineapple. You put the pineapple, you can put that pineapple on top. Then I'm going to put some more rice over here. Because that's what you, honey, people, honey, your guests want. They want the meat. They're not concerned about that pineapple. This just makes it cute. But if I was serving this at home, I don't do this. But since I'm giving it to two friends of mine, I went on and used the pineapple shells because I thought it was be cute. But if it wasn't going out, well, no one ate it but me. You know, so I would just, you know, call it a day. And this is what it would look like. And then I'll do the other one. Always start off with your rice. Put your rice, always start off with your rice. I always put my rice on the other end. Always start off with the rice because you want to pack your rice. You need to pack your rice in. So that's why you always start off with your rice, because you need to pack it. And when I say pack it, put it in and you pack it down. That's why you always start off with your rice. That's how you end up getting a good amount of rice in your shell when you pack it down. Then you start off, then you load your chicken in. And you can't hold it and load your chicken in. You're going to have to put it down. And like I said, people want chicken. They want the meat. They're carnivores. They want that chicken. You know, it's okay, honey. Throw some pineapples in there, you know. You throw your pineapples. Put your pineapples on top. Get your pineapple. Put your pineapples on top. Along with some of the wonderful sauce. That's what you want to do with that. But you know, that's how you do that. Make sure you get some of that wonderful sauce on there now. Yeah, the pineapples, add a little more rice. Now that I have my pineapples and my chicken in, I'm going to add it, top it off with more rice and pack it down. And you can pack it down by smushing it down, forming a little bowl. And here's the second one. And this will go in the fridge for me later on, about 2 days. I'll be able to put this in the processor. And this is going to make me a good applesauce. Or a good chicken pineapple sauce. Thank you guys for hanging out with me while I made this sticky pineapple chicken. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much, so much, so much. But until the next upload, guys, I'll see you guys in a couple of days. Brain fog. Okay, well, anyway, until the next upload, go be you. But you know what I say, go be great being you. Hugs, tight hugs, and kisses and lots of love to you. Woo, 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 woo. Until the next time, see you later, guys. Love you. Mwah. Bye.